Hello everyone, Jim from Ohio here, and I just wanted to share an activity that I'm doing just for a little bit of fun. I've been playing around with a 3D printer now for a couple of years, and this was something that I put together. It is not my own creation. This is something you can download the G code from thingiverse.com and print out for yourself. I had been teasing the grandkids for a while that I was going to give them a really super neat gift for Christmas. I told them I was going to give them a roll of toilet paper. And so to make good on my promise, this is what I did. I made them a Lego Man toilet paper holder. And I've had fun with it. This is actually another one that I made for my son and his kids. But my daughter's kids, what we did was I gave them one of these for Christmas along with a roll of toilet paper as promised. And this is where the fun begins. So during a different trip over to their house, I snuck into the bathroom and secretly replaced the head and came out of the bathroom saying, "Who stunk up the bathroom?" And they all were wondering what I was talking about. And then our grandson went in and came back out and said, "What's going on with the Lego guy?" And he pointed out that he noticed the face on it was a little bit different. And then during another trip over to their house, Mr. Lego Man magically grew some hair. And then later, he became a professional construction worker and had to wear a hard hat when he went to work. And just like the rest of us, Mr. Lego Man is not immune from getting older. His hair's turned gray on him. But even though he's getting older, he does still have to work for a few more years before he'll be able to retire. So we had to 3D print a white hat so it didn't blend in with his gray hair. So the other things that you can do, there are other people that have made donations to this open source printout, and they've got different themed heads. You can get a Harry Potter head to print out for it. For Halloween, you can do a pumpkin head. There's a Santa Claus head or a Santa Claus hat to go with it. There are even Star Wars themed heads. You can get either a Yoda head, a Darth Vader head, or a Stormtrooper head. So we're having fun with this. And I thought that my son and his kids would enjoy it too, so that's what I printed it out. But I figured I'd go ahead and share it with the rest of you guys and let you know what we're up to and just how we're having fun with our 3D printer. So take care and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll put a link below where you can go to download the files for this so that if you have a 3D printer, you can do one of these for any of your either kids or grandkids or neighbors or whoever might be interested in having one. So take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.